What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on how I made $700 today using Craigslist and CPA marketing. So let's go ahead and refresh the page here so you guys see it's not a screenshot or anything like that. As you can see, still at 701 for the day. Yesterday we made 2,100. Now the reason why it is considerably lower the last couple of days is because my Instagram account videos got shut down today. And once that happens, that's pretty much it. You just got to start rebuilding. I damn near just go and start a whole brand new account because you're about to have nothing but problems after that. I did take the video that went viral and I threw it in Facebook ads and I just got approved, surprisingly. So we'll see how that goes. I'll give you guys some updates on that in the next few days here if it does good or anything. But let's open this up here. All right, so if you want to make this type of money when it comes to Craigslist and CPA marketing, the very first thing you want to do is post until you get a viral video on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, X, like literally anywhere you can post, you can put that video, put it up, upload it. That's the main goal, is just upload, right? That is the name of the game. Just upload. You never know what video is going to go viral. There's a video I had made. I was a little buzzed the other night. Kid you not. Buzzed the hell up. That video made me like an extra $4,000 this week. Not even and I was buzzed up. I was feeling great. I was making jokes in the video. And I'm still doing the regular stuff, but I'm just, how you get when you a little buzzed up, just a little bit more bubbly. Kids, not that video took off. People was laughing in the comments, all type of stuff. But anyway, you want to just basically just post until you get a video that goes viral. Then once that video goes viral, you want to wait 2 days. And then once you wait those 2 days, you want to export all of your conversions. Now, assuming that the video runs that entire 2 days and you're getting all that traction for, for 48 hours straight, right? But after 2 days, you'll have enough data that you can actually give to the AI. So you're going to export all of your data from all your conversion data from your CPA network, right? So this will you'll either have a whole bunch of them or you'll have like maybe 150 of them. Like, it depends on what you're promoting, right? If you're promoting $1 offers, $2 offers, stuff like that, you might have like fucking 3 or 4,000, 5,000 conversions. But if you're promoting $100 products, stuff like that, $50, etc., you'll have way less conversions. Like you see, like today, I got 24 conversions, made 700. Yesterday, 63 conversions, 2,100. Right. But once whatever your stuff is, like I said, just wait 2 days just to have enough data, and then you're going to export that, and you're going to upload it to ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever it is that you want to use. And basically, you want to tell them, hey, I'm going to be posting over on Craigslist. And then you're also going to take the Craigslist terms of service for posting. They have it on their website. You're going to copy and paste that in there and say, hey, basically, can you make me a campaign and it needs to follow these guidelines? And then also do a little bit of research so you can screenshot or copy and paste a listing that's already approved and the next that you're doing, right? And you want to tell it to model that, and basically you just want to go from there, right? And then that's going to tell ChatGPT the times you got your conversions, the accounts that they use, the Wi-Fi, if they were on Wi-Fi, if they were on mobile data, what city and state, like literally everything. So it's going to give it all the information. Then basically the main things you need to worry about with Craigslist is the city and state and the time. Everything else, I wouldn't say it's irrelevant because you can obviously use that on different platforms, but that's the main thing you're going to focus on when it comes to Craigslist. Now, you can also put a little spin on it. Like, I had a video do really well. I noticed I was getting a lot of conversions for iPhones, so I just made a video. Say, hey, if you have an iPhone and this right here, then you should probably do this right here, right? And the video did great because it just called out people who were on the iPhone, right? But anyway, that's pretty much the entire process. Then you're going to take all that information, take the post, and you're going to post 3 times a day in the gig section if you are on an aged account. Now, if you have a brand spanking new account, the very first post should not do with anything about making money. You need to post about a plumber, find something that you need fixed around the house. Like, it doesn't have to obviously be a real post, but I mean, if you're going to make the post, why not just get something done? Either way, it doesn't matter. You can take a couple of pictures around your house, say, hey, I need this fixed, or this right here, or I need a mechanic for this. It needs to be a normal post. Your first one has to be a normal, regular, run of the mill type of post. If you don't do that, you're probably gonna run into problems, right? And then that's the whole process. You're just gonna repeat steps 1 through 5 over and over, and that's the whole thing. So like I'm probably gonna drop down super heavy tomorrow. It's Monday. I don't really get a lot of conversions on Monday. Who knows? Might have a video go viral too, though. That's the cool thing about this stuff. You just never know what's gonna happen. But again, even if you get one viral video a month, like you're doing all right. Like even if let's say I didn't make any more money for the rest of the month, and I only had just this one account, 5,600 for the month isn't terrible. It's not awful. Obviously, that's not all we're doing. We got bills to pay, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you got any questions, be sure to put them down below. Also, don't forget to check out the client portal real quick. So you just go to DeAngeloCobb.com. And guys, this is such you don't have to log in or anything. Like this little thing I got made for you guys. And this will work great for your videos. Like every time you refresh this page here, like it shows different numbers, right? You can point it up to your screen. You can screenshot it. Like, oh yeah, I'm doing this HVAC job, and I've told you where you can show the jobs at on Timbird. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what else. I don't know what else to tell you guys, man. Like this stuff is kind of easy. It takes a couple minutes out of your day. If you don't want to wait for all that, you can always get the Done For You campaign. And I'll just give you, my data and everything that I'm doing. And then, of course, you should, no matter what, do the free Craigslist campaign course. That's right here. Again, this one is completely free. All you have to do is just go through. It's going to give you a lot more tips and a lot more hands-on and everything in between with that. But again, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Peace.